Thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. So this axe is based off the Peterson Type L Viking axe. I don't know very much about it. I just basically found some pretty interesting pictures on the internet, and I really wanted to try to make one because this kind of model really grew on me. I didn't like it at first, but after a while I really started enjoying how it looks and feels. So the axe weighs around the axe head weighs around 400 grams, which is, in my opinion, very light weight for an axe. And together with the handle, it weighs around 720 grams, which is approximately 1.5 pounds. So it's fairly easy to handle. It's made out of wrought iron and SS 2090, I think, spring steel in the edge, the black part you can see here. So it's etched a little bit to get the contrast, and if you notice it, it's a lot more black on one side than the other, and that's also one of the reasons why it's so light, because while forging I did come across a cold shot. So when forge welding, if there are parts of the forge weld that didn't quite forge weld, and usually you can encounter delaminations while forge welding. That is pretty common, and usually you can just grind them off and they disappear. But a cold shot is a much bigger delamination, so to speak. It's a part of the weld that did not weld at all. So I had to grind that out to see if it was delaminated all the way back to where the spring steel began, but it wasn't. So, but I had to remove a lot of material, which made it a lot lighter, and that also struggled a little bit for me while heat treating. So when I quenched it, the blade wanted to twist a little bit, and so that was kind of hard to get fixed. During tempering it did straighten a little bit, but then I had to like carefully grind off the edge a little bit and, you know, grind out the twist. So that cost a little bit of material as well. But all in all, I kind of like it. I really enjoy working with wrought iron, and wrought iron has a really beautiful pattern, and just the fact that it's so old. And this axe is actually made out of old hinges for barn doors, made out of wrought iron. So I basically stacked them up, forge welded them down into a bigger billet, and then I started forging out the axe body, as you can see in the beginning. So I actually had to do some pre-work, and if you want to see more of that, you can go back to watch the Making an Axe for Skallagrim video on my channel, and I do the whole process there. So it's a very light axe, made out of the handle is made out of ash, Swedish ash, and with a walnut wedge, just because it's pretty. And yeah, that's basically it. So there was a lot of struggle doing this axe, but making this axe, but it was also a lot of fun and a really big and great learning process. So I'm really looking forward to making more of these axes in the future. So the great thing about this axe is that it's a giveaway axe. So if you want to get this axe, you just have to enter the giveaway, and the giveaway is over at my Instagram channel. You basically just search for Nils Ogren, O-G-R-E-N, N-I-L-S-O-G-R-E-N on Instagram, and you will find me there. And there will be a picture of this axe up, and with info about how to enter the giveaway. And be sure to check that out and enter if you want to win this axe. I pay for shipping, so you don't have to pay anything, you just have to receive it if you win. So thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions at all, please put them down in the comment section. Like the video if you liked it. If you didn't, don't. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye.